Hi, Spencer from DIY Marquees, just showing how curtain linings, wall linings are fitted into a marquee. By this point you'd have already got your roof lining up. You then got to decide whether you're going to use your side panels as curtains or walls. Generally, if you've got a plain wall panel, you'd put the lining up as a wall panel in front of it. When you've got a window, you wouldn't normally put a lining in front of it. You use the lining as a curtain. Basically, it's there hiding the metal leg and using it as a curtain wrapped around that leg. The wall or the curtain, it's got loops at the top. To gather it as a curtain, you'd normally put one cable tie in 2 or 3 loops as you fix it up. When you're putting your side linings up as curtains, you've gathered the material around the leg. You then want to use the tie back all the way around, but make sure you go around the metal leg as well to wrap it round. You go around the leg because if you take the sides off, in the wind, curtains and wall panels tend to billow out a lot. By putting the tie back around the leg, it will stay in position even if you take the sides off.